Normally on a GMRS repeater, you would program it in repeater mode, which means when you key the mic, you transmit plus 5 megahertz on the input. Now a simplex repeater or a parrot repeater does not work that way. You'll notice that the transmit frequency, and this is in VFO mode just for demonstration purposes, the transmit frequency is the same as receive. There's no shift. So if I was to do, that's normal repeater mode. Off is just simplex mode. So simplex repeaters are called parrots. Radio check 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Radio check 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 downtown 700. Radio check downtown 600. It should take about 3 or 4 seconds. So that's the difference. Check 1 2 1 2. Check 1 2 1 2. So this is FRS channel 17. But yeah, it's just simplex mode. So it listens, and assuming the the signal has the correct CTCSS tone, it records it, and then once the carrier's dropped, it switches the radio into transmit and then retransmits it on the same frequency. So that's how you use a simplex repeater. Thanks for watching.